Good evening guys, very good evening all of you. So we are going to discuss the part 4 of your quiz over here. Like yesterday we are going to continue the series with our same part, that is nothing but simplification, quadratic, and along with that we are also going to take number series questions over here. Are you getting it? So all of you quickly join with your friend, tell your friends also to join. All of you quickly join over here. Very good evening all of you. So in this particular class, we are going to take a practice along with the timer over here. Okay, so along with timer, we are going to do the practice over here. So that way it is really going to help you out for, cracking the particular important section. That is nothing but your simplification part over here, that too with a timer. Ashu, very good evening Ashu, very good evening. Okay, so guys, I want all of you to quickly share the session with your friends once so that we can start over here. All of you put it in all the groups, make it a count of at least 20 guys, 20, 30, all of you please share the session once. Okay, so in this particular series from last 2-3 days you are observing that we are taking all the different types of tricky questions over here so that it will help you out to revise your concept along with the question over here. So rather than taking simplification individual concept, we are covering the questions over here. Okay, so have you all shared the session quickly? 2 more minutes. I want all of you to quickly share it with your friends so that we can start over here. So guys, if you guys are having any query over here, you can join me in my Telegram group, that is Quant Made Easy by Priyanka Mam. Okay, whatever queries you are having, like how to fill the form, ma'am, or you are bad at some section of the quant, whatever queries you have, definitely you can ask me on the group over here. Okay, so yes, perfect. So all of you must have shared the session. Let us quickly start now. So first of all, before we start, I would like to tell you that we have launched a really good super practice batch for your RBI assistant exam over here. Okay, now this exam, actually in this guys, we are going to take a combined LPS over here. Now what is the concept of combined LPS? In combined LPS, you are going to get all the 3 sections with a timer, just like you have it in your exam over here. Okay, similar to your exam over here. So basically first section, first 20 minutes you are going to practice the quant section, then English section, then reasoning section, and at the end you can evaluate your performance with the other candidates at all India level over here. So that is the importance of this LPS over here, and I feel that it will really help you out to evaluate your performance. And you must be aware, for RBI assistant, what is more important is your speed over here, speed and accuracy. That way this is really going to help you out. Now you can see actual price is 1999, but if you're using Priyanka as the code, you just have to pay 839. Guys, you can see 839 is nothing compared to what you're going to get. So every day from 4th of March, every day till your exam, you are going to have every evening 7 to 9 p.m. this session would be there. Okay, so first you will solve English, then you will solve reasoning, then you will solve quant. All these sections will be evaluated and your performance you can calculate with the other students over here. Are you guys getting my point? So this way it is really helpful for all of you. And as all of you must be aware, Oliveboard has, already we got 10 million users over here. So from 25th to 28th, there is special offer going on. So today is 26th over here, 2 more days are remaining. Really good offer guys. Now you will ask me, ma'am, what is the special about this? Okay, so you can see here, if you are taking the package for 6 months over here, it will be extended for 10 months over here. So any package, for example, if you are taking banking light and applying Priyanka as the code, you are just going to pay 689 for this. It will be valid for next 10 months over here. So you can see that whatever package you are purchasing, that will be valid till you are writing your pre as well as mains exam, not only for clerical, for your PO exam as well. So that way this is really going to help you out. Now in this package, this RBI assistant exam is also included. So if you are planning to purchase the everything in one package, so that is the perfect deal for all of you. And if any one of you want to know RBI topics from the basics over here, this is the batch for all of you, that is RBI assistant selection batch. Now in this batch, if you are really beginner and you do not know how to prepare for banking, trust me, we can take you to your destination. Okay, only thing you need to do is purchase this batch over here. So here we are going to cover everything from right scratch till the mains exam level content over here. Along with that, you will also be given practice questions over here. So I feel that this RBI assistant batch will also help those who want to get their, ma'am already purchased earlier. Okay, those who have purchased, perfectly fine. So other all can note of this, this particular packages that we have started over here. Okay, so let us start with the quiz of today. Guys, all of you, still we are 35. Can you please share the session once so that we'll make a count of at least 50 over here. All of you quickly share the session. First question based on the simplification is there on your screen. Your timer starts now. Let me see how many of you are getting the answer for this question over here. Ashwini, Hemlata, yes. So I want quick and correct answer. Ma'am, I'm Hindi medium student. Will it be, yes, Neeraj Soni. So if you are planning to purchase that LPS batch, there you are going to have bilingual kind of explanation. So it is not only in English, and if you are planning to purchase the basic batch, okay, so that is also available in Hindi, and I don't think even English batch will hamper you, because for quant it is not at all much needed. You just attend 1 or 2 classes of mine, you will definitely understand. You will understand all the content, even if you are Hindi medium. Okay, Vinay Kumar is saying C option. I got my first answer over here. Vinay Kumar is saying C. What about others? Anyone else is getting the answer? Ashu is also saying E option. What a performance, guys. Very good. So literally in 20 seconds you are getting I want banking awareness. So Neeraj Soni, if you are purchasing the batch in English medium, all the things will be accessible to you. Okay, so the GK course is anyways in bilingual itself. Okay, it will be in Hindi plus English both. Suvarna is saying D option over here. Very good. D option is the, let us check whether it is correct or not, because I can see C, E, D. 3 options are there. Let us verify whose answer is correct in this case. Okay, so I am not aware about the answer. Let us check out together over here. Now, first and foremost thing, you should know that when you are solving this question, this is about the indices and all the values are related to 3 itself. Okay, so you have to convert each term in terms of 3 itself. So this is nothing but 3 cube to the power 5 over here. You know 27 is 3 cube. What about this over here? You must be aware this value is nothing but, yes, can anybody tell me what is the value over here? Those who are aware, yes, this is 3 to the power 5 over here. Very important part, guys. Please remember 243. It has been severe, many times it has been asked in your exam. Several times it has been asked. Are you getting my point? So I want all of you to check out 3 to the power 5 would be the value over here. Okay, ma'am, why this video? Shubham, there is some issue going on, technical glitch. That is why we have shifted it here for 2-3 days. Again, afterwards, it will be there on banking section as well. Okay, I hope all of you are getting it. Yes. Sectional test won't be there. Hemlata, if you have purchased only light, then it is only for mock test only. Okay, it is just for mock test. You can purchase these other courses separately then. Okay, so this is 3 to the power 5 to the power 3. Okay, let us cover this question now. This is 3 square to the power 6 over here. What will you write for this? This is 3 square to the power 7. And when you are talking about this, this is nothing but 9 square, or I can say 3 to the power 4 over here to the power 4. Now, whenever you are doing indices based question over here, I am going to tell you a really good short trick, that is nothing but a box method. Now, what is box method? You have to form a box. Those indices which are in multiplication, you have to add those, and those who are in division, you have to subtract those values over here. So 6 2s are 12, you have to write 12 over here. As it is multiplication, you have to add. This value is 7 2s are 14, again I have to add this. Are you getting it? This is 4 4s are 16, again you have to add. Remaining values you have to subtract over here. Please keep this point in mind. Now 5 3s are 15, so you have to subtract 15. What about this? This 15 also you have to subtract over here. Are you getting it also? What will you get from this? These values will get cancelled. You are getting 3 to the power 12 on right hand side. Okay, you are getting 3 to the power 12 on your right hand side over here. Now please pay attention. Here they are asking you x to the power 6 is equal to how much value? This is also very important. Are you getting it? They have given x to the power 6. So can you convert this into 6 terms? How will you write it? 3 square to the power 6 will be equal to your x. So what would be your x? 3 square, that is nothing but D option is the perfect one. Ashu, Anurag, Shubham, excellent performance, guys. Really good question based on indices rule over here. Really good question based on indices rule. Everybody is following this? Everybody is clear with this part over here? So based on this, we have to calculate what would be the indices value over here. So remember this box method for that. Next question based on a really good concept of percentage to fraction over here. Let me see who is giving the correct and quick answer over here. Your time starts now. Yes. So try to follow the timer also, guys. That will help you out to, maximize your output in a lesser time. Have you covered about? Yes, Vinay Kumar, I am going to cover that in next class. So far I have not covered it, but that will be covered in Monday's class. So if you have not purchased the batch, do purchase it so that you will not miss out those basics over there. Okay, so I have covered cube root, square root in that, but still the fractional part and this part is remaining. Okay, yes. Can you try this question over here? Ma'am, all types of tests are included. Yes. Shubham, if you are purchasing super elite package, it is there for 2624 guys. Is super elite package, in that all the things are available. So I feel that if you are planning to purchase, do not purchase light or other packages. Purchase the super elite package over here. Okay, so Vinay, we are going to cover that on Monday. Do not bother. We are going to cover that on Monday over there. Neba is saying A option. I got the first answer by Neba here. He is saying A option over here. What about others? What about others? Anyone else is getting the answer? Anyone else is getting the answer for this one? Yes, guys. Quick and correct answer. How will you do this? Now, when you are talking about this value over here, 137.5, you can write this as 100 plus 37.5. That is 1 plus 3 by 8 over here. That is nothing but 1 plus 3 by 8. Ashwini Kumar, Akanksha, excellent performance guys. Very good, very good. A is the perfect answer over here. Okay, so let us check out whether A is the perfect answer or not. I don't think so. You are somewhat near, but that is not the correct answer because I just saw the right hand side. Can you check out once? You have to check your right hand side. I don't think now that 7744 would be the answer. Please pay attention. Now this is nothing but 1 plus 3 by 8. All of you please pay attention. Here it is 5121. Okay, now this is 1 by 3 means you have to take a cube root value over here. All of you now pay attention how I am solving this. Cube root of 27, that is nothing but 3 over here. Here again you have to take a cube root of 64, that is nothing but 4. Here you have divided by sign, that is divided by 12 over here, plus 8 cube. I know that it is 512 over here. Are you guys getting my point? That is nothing but your x square value. They have given x square value over here. Now let us evaluate this value. This is 4 3s are 3 3 will get cancelled. So basically you are getting 5121 minus 1 plus 512 over here. Are you getting it? And if you are talking about this value, it is 11 by 8. It is nothing but 11 by 8 over here. So how will you calculate this? Just do this calculation. This will become 5120 plus 512. Are you getting it? If you add this value over here, it is 5632 upon 8 multiplied by 11. 8 7s are 04 over here. So 704 into 11, that is nothing but 7744. I hope all of you are aware about the multiplication by 11 trick over here. So you want to multiply 704 by 11. How will you do that? 4 copy as it is. This will be 4 plus 0. Then 0 plus 7 and 7 as it is. So you are getting 7744 as the value. You are going to get 7744 as the value over here. Okay, Suvarna, please improve the resolution at your end. So that must be your network issue. Please improve the resolution of your image over there. You will be able to see properly. Okay, now once you have calculated 7744, I think Vinay Kumar is my paid batch student. Yeah, today itself we have done how to calculate the square root. Can you tell me what would be the square root of 7744? Because this 7744, it is nothing but square of x over here. X square will be the value over here. Can any one of you tell me what would be the square of this value? Now it is very evident that 4 cannot come, only 8 and 2 are the possibilities. 22 square we already know. So what is your answer here? 88 is the perfect answer. 88 is the perfect answer for this question. Are you guys following my point? Yes? Is this thing clear with everyone how we are calculating the value? Yes. Ashu, Hemlata, perfect answer guys. Perfect answer by all of you. What would be the answer in this case? 88 would be the answer over here. Those who are my paid batch student, you can apply the trick for square root to calculate the value over here. I hope everybody is following it. Let us quickly move on to the next question over here. Question based on cube root and square root. I want quick and correct answer from all of you. Your time starts now. Your time starts now. Let me see. Yes. Anandu, how to write? Yes. Anandu, for that you need to learn a topic of percentage to fraction over there in your simplification. Okay, so if you are aware about percentage to fraction table, in that this fraction is covered. So I generally give it to my students in the class that which all fractions you have to remember. So those are the frequently asked question over here. Okay, perfect one. Can you try this one now? Cube root of 9261 into under root of 1681 over here. Let me see who all are getting the answer over here. Vishal, very good evening Vishal. Venkatesh is saying A option. Neba Kumar is saying A option. Very good guys, very good. A or E? A or E? How will you do this? Vishal, I am fine. I am very much fine. Okay, so how will you do this? Ashwani Kumar is also saying 772. Very good. Very good guys. So I can see many of you are saying A as the option over here. Let us verify whether it is correct or not. Okay, let us just verify whether it is correct or not. For cube root, what you have to do, put bar on last three numbers over here. What is the procedure to calculate cube root? Just in today's class, I have covered this. You have to take the last digit based on this digit over here. As it is 1, this is going to be 1 over here. Okay, now you have to take a cube which is lying just below 9 over here. 2 cube value is 8, which is just below this. So this will become 21. Now we have to take which square root value is 1681. For that, you have to put bar on last two numbers. This is nothing but either it is going to be 1 or 9. Okay, which square lies below this? 4 square lies below this over here. Now, you know that 41 square is just near to 1600. So, this is 41 in this case. 21 into 41. Are you all getting my point? Now, you may ask me, ma'am, how to multiply this quickly. You can write this as 40 plus 1. Instead of 41, you can write this as 40 plus 1 over here. So what will you get from this? You know that 21 fours are, it is nothing but 840 plus 21. So orally you can calculate the answer. It is going to be 861 minus 89. That is going to give me my answer as 772 over here. Are you guys getting it? Ashwani, Hemlata, Autumn Leaf. Very good guys. Very good performance by all of you. Everybody is following this. How we are calculating the value? So A option is the perfect one. In this particular question, you have learned how to calculate the cube root, how to calculate the square root, and along with that, we have also calculated the final answer over here. Everybody is getting my point? So guys, if any one of you is not following the part, you need to definitely join the basic batch. Okay, because unless and until you learn the basics, this is not going to help you out. Okay. Perfect. Can you check out the next question? Question based on fraction over here. Let me see how many of you are getting this one. Yes. So guys, yes, as it is there in your session, all of you please share the session guys once. All of you please share the session so that you know we'll get good count and you will also enjoy solving it with me. So yes, can you try this question? And evaluate that which all things you need to improve further over here. Which all are the points that need improvement from your side. Ashu, Hemlata, what a performance. Within time itself, they got the perfect answer here. A is the perfect answer. Very good. Venkatesh is also getting it. A is the perfect answer over here. Very good guys. What about others? What about others? Anyone else is getting the answer over here? Suvarna is also getting it. Neba is getting it. Perfect guys. Excellent. How will you go about this? This is nothing but 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25 by 3 multiplied by this is nothing but 12 by 5 over here. You are adding this value x. Again, as this is multiplication, you cannot separate it. You have to convert it into perfect format. Okay, you have to convert it into proper fraction over here. Are you getting it? Now 14 6 are 84 plus 1 85 over here divided by 6 multiplied by 17 3s are 51 plus 3 54 divided by 17. Can you cancel this now? 17 5s are 6 9s are, you are getting this value. This is 5 5s are, This is 3 fours. So basically you are getting 20 plus x is equal to 45. So x value will be 25 over here. Excellent performance by many of you. Are you getting it? So important concept in this is how to convert the improper fraction into proper fraction over here. Are you getting my point? राधा मोहन, अगर आपको कोई बात समझ में नहीं आ रही हो तो मैं उतना पार्ट हिंदी में बता सकती हूँ, बट कंप्लीट लेक्चर तो डेफिनेटली इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू बी टेकन इन हिंदी. ओके, सो इस क्वेश्चन में आपको जो आपका इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है उसको प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है. हाउ विल यू डू दैट? यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई योर डिनोमिनेटर विद द इंटीजर पार्ट. Okay, and then add the numerator over there. Yes, Om Prakash is getting the perfect answer. 25 will be the final answer over here. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Your time starts now. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this question over here. Yes, next question based on the percentage rule. Let me see how many of you are aware about this. Can you give it a try? Your time starts now. Let me see who all are getting the answer and who all are getting the correct answer over here. Can you give it a try? Hemlata is saying C option. What a performance. Quickly she got the answer. I don't know whether it is correct or not. But yes, she got the answer over here. What about others? What about others? Anyone else is getting the answer in this? Anyone else is getting the answer over here? Suvarna is also getting it. Very good. C option. I got 2 answers over here. What about others? Anyone else is getting the answer over here? So for this type of question, guys, Kishore is saying 252. Okay. So let us check out whether it is correct or not. All of you now, please pay attention over here. Okay. All of you, please pay attention. Let me explain you how you are going to go about this. So first of all, for percentage, there is a trick over here. You can easily shift this percentage on the other side, because it is the same value. Okay, so when you are writing this, I can write this as 190. Now you must be aware 60% is 3 by 5 over here. 60% is 3 by 5. Now what will you do about this? 11 square, you already know it is 121 minus 13 over here. So what will you write for this? 5 3s are 5 8s are. If I am calculating this value over here, that is 114 plus 121 minus 13 over here. So what will you get from this? 101 plus 121. If you are adding this, that is nothing but 222. C option is the perfect one. Very good. Twinkle, perfect answer. Anvesha is also getting it. Dalijit is getting it. Om Prakash, very good performance, guys. 222 is the perfect answer over here. Everybody is following my point? Everybody is following it. Let us quickly move on to the next question over here. Next question is there on your screen and your time starts now. Let me see who all are getting the correct answer for this one. Simple question based on the multiplication and square root technique. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Can you give it a try, and that too within time? Okay, I want all of you to try it in a given timer over here. Let me see who all are getting the answer. Yes, can you try it? Hemlata is saying D option. Okay, she is getting so quick and correct answer. Today, really good performance by Hemlata. Om Prakash, very good. Ashu is also getting it. D option is the perfect one. Very good, guys. Suvarna is also getting it. Perfect answer. D is the correct answer over here. Those who are getting, so here you have to apply square root value and then calculate the answer over here. So if you are calculating 38 fives, easily you will know that this is 190 plus you are writing 35 over here. So what are you getting in this case? That is nothing but 225 square root. 225 means this value is 15 plus x. That is nothing but 72 over here. So when you are taking it on the other side, it is clearly visible. 57 will be your answer. Perfect answer by many of you. Really good performance, guys. This is your previous year question from your RBI assistant exam. Okay, same question I have taken from your assistant pre-exam over here. This is again a previous year question. Let me see who all are getting the perfect answer for this one. So here your concept of board mass will be checked over here. So I want all of you to give the answer. Question is easy, but it is about the board mass rule over here. So apply it properly. Let me see who all are getting the answer. Can you give it a try? Next question. Om Prakash is saying 135. Kishore Kumar, E or D? I am getting multiple answers again. Whether it is E or whether it is D. Ashwini Kumar, Keshav, Kishore, Ashu, yes, you can see all of you got the answer within time. but you are getting multiple answer. That is because it is conceptual question over here. This question is really conceptual. Yes, Dalijit is also saying 135, Kishore, Venkatesh, Swapnil, Anvesha 135. Okay, let us check out which answer is correct, whether it is D or whether it is E. So few of you are saying D, few of you are saying E over here. So guys, please remember this rule of board mass over here. There is hidden rule inside the board mass. What is the rule over here? When same operation is present side by side, please hear it again. When same operation is present side by side, always start with a left hand side part over here. You have to always begin with a left hand side part. So this will become 280 by 4, that is nothing but 70 divided by 2. So you are going to get 35 as the value. 170 minus x. If you are checking this, 135 would be the answer. So D is the perfect answer over here. Now let me tell you, if you are taking first this value, you may end up in a wrong answer. Are you getting it? So please remember, especially when you are doing the division and it is present side by side, always start with a left hand side part over here. Are you all getting it? RJ, Anvesha, Swapnil, Venkatesh, very good performance guys, very good. Now next question is about the improper fraction conversion over here. Next question is about the improper fraction conversion. Let me see who all are getting the perfect answer for this one. So you need to convert 14 by 7 percentage first into fractional value and then you calculate your answer over here. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Can you give it a quick try? Can you all give it a quick try over here? Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Neba got the answer. He's saying E option over here. What about others? Ashu is saying D option. Oh my god, I'm getting multiple answers, though they are in time, but they are different. Kishore is saying 625. What about others? So two people are saying 625. Swapnil is saying D option. Okay, let us verify guys. There is lot of confusion over here. Lot of confusion for this question. Yes. So yes guys, for such type of question itself, I am telling you, do everyday practice over here and this is the best thing that you can attend. Okay, in lesser time you are solving around 25 questions in each class. And that too I am taking different concepts over here. Dare Beast is saying D option. Autumn Leaf is saying E option. Okay, I am getting multiple answers again. Let us verify whose answer is correct. Okay, do not bother. All of you can pay attention over here. 14 by 7%, all of you please pay attention, especially those who are beginner. What you have to do is 14 7s are 98, 98 plus 2 is 100 over here. 100 divided by 7 percentage you have to write here. This will be nothing but 1 by 7 over here. This value is nothing but 1 by 7 over here. Now if you know this, you know that of value you have to always do first. Okay, whenever we are talking about board mass, of value we have to always do first. Now when you are writing 1 by 7 of 4200, that is nothing but 600 over here. Okay, now you have to divide this by under root of 576, which is nothing but 24 over here. Are you getting it? 24 2s are 24 5s are. So you are getting under root of x is equal to 25. This is very important. X to the power 1 by 2 is written on the right hand side. What is written on right hand side? X to the power 1 by 2. So under root of x is equal to 25. So when I am calculating x value, it is nothing but 25 square or 625 would be the perfect answer over here. 625 would be the perfect answer over here. Swapnil is getting it. Yes, Anvesha, Ritika, Ashu, perfect answer guys. Perfect answer. Everybody is following this part? Everybody is following this part? Is there anyone having any doubt in this question? You can ask me. I think it is perfectly clear to all of you. Let us quickly move on to the next question over here. Your timer starts now. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Can you give this question a try? Your time starts now. Daljit also got it. Very good. Dear Beast also got it. Very good. Can you try the next question now? Question based on the fraction value over here. Fractional value calculation. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Can you give it a try? Quick try over here. So just try to solve the smaller part in this and then cross multiply the value. Definitely you will get the answer over here. Your time is already over. Your time is already over. Let me see who all are getting the answer now. Yes. Who all are getting the answer in this case? 1.2. What a performance. Kamal and Kishore, they are getting the perfect answer over here. 1.2 will be the perfect answer over here, guys. Very good. Very good. 1.2 is the perfect answer over here. Anyone else is getting the answer? Yes, I can see Om Prakash is saying D option. So I am getting multiple answers over here. Let me tell you, B option is the perfect one for this. B option is the perfect one. Okay, should I explain you? Okay, all of you now please pay attention over here. How will you go about this question over here? All of you please pay attention. Here what you have to do is, this is 17.28 divided by x. Okay, what about this value? Please keep track of decimal values. Okay, that is where we make mistake. Now when you are saying 3.6 into 2, you know that it is 72. Here there is one decimal, here also there is one decimal. So you are going to get decimal after 2 digits over here. So this will become 0.72. Here you have to write down 200. Now when you are cross multiplying, this 2 decimal will go with a 0 over here. This 2 decimal will go with a 0. So what will you get? 17.28 is equal to, this is nothing but 144 into x. This is nothing but 144 into x over here. Now if you are aware, this is nothing but here you have to divide this by 144, that is x value over here. Are you all getting my point? Now you must be aware, this value is nothing but directly this is 12 square, this is 12 cube. So you are going to get 1.2 as the answer over here. Are you guys following my point? 1.2 would be the answer over here. Or will it be 0.12? Will it be 0.12 or 1.2? Can any one of you tell me what would be the answer in this case? This is a big confusion where to put a decimal. I want all of you to check it again. I am giving you one more chance over here. Can anybody tell me what would be the final answer? Yes. So guys, make sure that whenever you are putting decimal, yes, it is 0.12 over here. You are perfectly correct. It is 0.12. How will you do that? First of all, when you are writing this, separate the both parts over here. 1728, this is 144. Are you getting it? And when you are writing this decimal, it is 0.01 as it is. Okay, now you know that this is 12 square, this is 12 cube over here. That means you are directly going to get 12 as the value. 12 multiplied by 0.01 will be 0.12 over here. It is nothing but 0.12 over here. Are you getting my point? Everybody is getting it. That is what was the important concept in this question over here. How you are putting a decimal value, because that will change your complete answer in this case. Okay, let us quickly move on to the next question over here. Let me see who all are doing this one properly. Question about board mass rule over here. Question based on board mass rule. Let me see who all are getting the perfect answer for this question over here. Can you give it a try? Your time starts now. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Can you give it a quick try over here, all of you? Hemlata is saying D option. Daljit is saying D option. Ashu D option. Very good guys, perfect and same answer by all of you. D is the perfect answer over here. Very good. D is the perfect answer. Ritika, Kamal, very good guys. D is the perfect answer over here. Simple board mass rule is what you have to follow over here. Now according to board mass rule, I know that I have to first do the off value over here. Now when you are saying 125%, it is 5 by 4 multiplied by 86 over here. After that you have to do division, so write down 43 here. Keep it as it is. Okay, do not multiply, just keep it as it is. This will become 43 2s are over here. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Write down this value, 8 4s are 32. So this will become 4 over here. You are cancelling this. This is nothing but 10 is equal to x into 5. So x value is nothing but 2 over here. D option is the perfect one. Are you guys getting my point? So I have seen multiple times when you are getting question about off, student completely multiplied, which is not needed guys. Okay, especially when you see the off value, it is not at all recommended that you completely solve it. It will waste a lot of your time unnecessarily. Are you getting it? So you can keep it as it is, and at the end you can simplify your value over here. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Next question is there on your screen. Let me see who all can solve this one over here. Really interesting question. Again, somewhat indices rules are used over here, and to certain extent board mass rule also you will need in this question. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Be very careful before giving any answer for this question over here. Let me see who is getting it. Who will get the answer over here? Yes, your time is already over, guys. Keep track of time as well. Let me see who all will be able to get the answer. Neba Kumar is saying A option. Okay. What about others? Neba got the first answer in this case. What about others? Anyone else is getting the answer? Yes. You can simplify it one by one. Okay, one by one you can simplify this. That will make your calculation easy. Okay, should we discuss it together? Should we discuss it? All of you can pay attention over here. Now this is nothing but 8 to the power 4 upon, you must be aware, 512, that is nothing but 8 cube. So if I am solving this division part, it is nothing but 8 multiplied by 4 to the power 6. Are you getting it? Now you solve this part over here. You must be aware this is 16 into 8 over here. Okay, this 8 and this 8 will get cancelled over here. Now this value is nothing but 4 square. So when I am solving this, this will become 4 to the power 6 minus 2. That is nothing but 4 to the power 4 over here. Are you getting it? That is nothing but 4 to the power 4. What about this part? Write it in the denominator. That is nothing but 32. All of you now please pay attention over here. This is nothing but 32 would be the value. Now let us solve this further. This is 4 to the power 4 upon, this is nothing but 4, this is 16 into 2, or I can cancel these two powers over here. So what are you getting in this case? This is 2 to the power 4 upon 2, which is 2 to the power 3 over here. Now all of you please pay attention. This is 2 to the power 3 upon x, which is nothing but 2 to the power 15. So if you are calculating the value, that is nothing but 1 by 5 would be the value over here. That is nothing but 1 by 5 would be the value over here. Everybody is following how I have simplified? How I have simplified the value. Is it clear with everyone? Yes. So it is only about how you are representing the data in this case. Okay, if you are representing it properly, definitely you are going to get your correct answer over here. Is everyone clear with this, or should I explain it again? Yes, so Kamal, Swapnil, Ashu, Neba, really good performance guys. 1 by 5 will be your answer over here. Anybody is there who is having doubt, you can ask me. Anshika, yes, very good evening Anshika. So I think it is clear how we have solved this question over here. If you are converting it into two terms, the power of 2 over here, it will become really simple for all of you to be solved. Okay, let us quickly move on to the next question over here. Question again about a decimal value. So your time starts now. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Next question is there on your screen. Can you give it a try? Okay, Anshita, take full name please. Okay. Harshit is saying 3 by x equal to 15. Okay, so guys, we will cover it again. Okay, Harshit and Hemlata, they are having doubt. Let us cover it again. Do not bother. Can you try this question over here? Question is simple. It is only about how you are putting a decimal value over here. Om Prakash, Swapnil, they are saying B option over here. Very good, very good. B option is the perfect one. B option is the perfect one. It is all about how you are putting a decimal value over here. Question is all about how you are putting a decimal value in this case. Should I explain you? Yes. Very good guys. Really good performance by Akshay here. Akshay, Anshika, all of them are getting the answer. Good performance. All of you can pay attention. Now let me explain this to you. All of you please pay attention. How will you do this? 5 divided by 50, you know that this is 0.1. Okay, how will you write about this? 55 upon 5500, cancel 55. There are 2 points over here, so this will become 0.01. This will become 0.01. Similarly, for this also you can write down 555, and in denominator it is 555, 000. This will get cancelled. This is decimal after 3 decimal values over here. Are you getting my point? So please remember, so when you have 3 zeros, that means here you have to write 2 0 and 1 1 over here. Okay, so number of 0 here would be 1 lesser. So here you have 2 value, it will become 1 0 in this case. Now when you are adding this value, it is nothing but 1 1 1 over here. 0.111, that is nothing but B option would be the perfect one. B option would be the perfect one. Everybody is following this part? Is there anyone having any doubt? 0.111 is the perfect value for this one. Okay, getting my point over here? Now few of you had doubt in this. Please pay attention over here. So I want all of you to follow this again, because few of you are having doubt. Okay, this is nothing but 8 to the power 4. This is 8 cube. Okay, all of you please pay attention over here. Okay, multiply this value by 4 to the power 6. Now this value, you know that it is 16 8s. Now 16 8s means I am writing this as 4 square. I am writing this 8 as it is. Are you getting it? Keep this divided by value as it is over here. Okay, now let us solve this. This will become 8. This value will be equal to 8. ये 8 और ये 8 आपका cancel हो जाएगा. This is nothing but 4 to the power 6. This is 4 to the power 2. When it will go in numerator, it will become 4 to the power 4 upon 32. So I can write 32 as 16 into 2 over here. Are you getting my point? Now when you are calculating this, this is 4 square into 4 square upon 16 into 2. Now you know that this is 16 and this is also 16 over here. So when you are calculating this value will be equal to 8 over here to the power 1 by x, and this value is 2 to the power 15. Now please pay attention, when you are saying 8 over here, this is 2 to the power 3 by x, which is equal to 2 to the power 15. आपका बेस सेम है तो आप डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो 3 by x equal to 15, which is nothing but x equal to 1 by 5, which is nothing but x equal to 1 by 5. So स्वप्निल, जैसे आप ये प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतने टाइम में आप ये खत्म कर पाओगे. So it depends on all the practice. That is why we are having quiz every day. Are you getting it? Because it is going to play important role in your exam. Now let us quickly finish few of the questions based on the wrong number series over here. Okay, 4-5 questions based on the wrong number series. I want all of you to identify which is going to be a wrong number over here. Now clear? Okay, Hemlata is perfectly following it now. Very good, very good. Can you try next question now based on the wrong number series? Let me see who all are getting the correct answer for this one. 2 to 3 questions based on the wrong number series. Anybody is getting the answer for this one? One. Ashu is saying A option over here. What about others? Kamal is also saying 1. Hemlata, A option. Very good, guys. What a performance by all of you. Very good. Akshay is also getting it. What is the logic in this? Can any one of you tell me what is the logic over here? Any one of you? Simple question. Try to get next value from the first one. So this is 2. This is 3. You can observe here there is no multiplication factor over here. Yes. So just check out the difference. As there is no multiplication factor here, so multiplication cannot be the logic. Check out the difference now. Check out the difference. This difference is 1, this is 4, this is 8. If I am checking this value over here, it is 16, this is 32. Now exactly I got the logic over here. Yes. So whatever differences you are getting, they are multiple values. Okay, direct value is not multiple over here. It is double difference which is forming a logic. So 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So this value has to be 2. So 1 is going to be a wrong number over here. Yes, you are perfectly correct. Harshita, Swapnil, Akshay, you guys are perfectly correct. The value of 1 will be wrong over here. It should be 0 in this case. Okay, let us quickly move on to the next question. Question based on wrong number series again. Let me see who all are getting the perfect answer for this one. Your time starts now. Your time starts now. Can you give it a try? Again, let me see what could be the possible logic from your side. Yes, can you give it a try over here? Previous year question from your exam itself. Previous year question from your exam itself. Let me see who all are getting the perfect answer for this one. Can you give it a try? Anshika is saying A option. Anshika, have you calculated the difference? Let me write down the difference value for all of you. Maybe the logic will click into your mind how we are getting the values over here. Okay, so I think this is nothing but 120. If you are checking this value over here, it is nothing but 310. Are you all getting my point over here? Are you all getting the point over here? You can observe the number over here. This is 4 cube minus 4. This is 5 cube minus 5. At least these two numbers, please remember guys, they will appear many times in your exam. Are you getting it? This is 3 cube minus 3. This is 6 cube minus 6. So where it is going wrong over here? If you are checking this, it is 2 cube minus 2. That means this value is wrong and even this value is wrong. That is because 5 is the wrong number. That is because 5 is the wrong number over here. Please check out your answers. So especially in case of wrong number series guys, when two numbers are wrong, the middle value would be your answer. Whatever is written in the middle will be your answer over here. Everybody is following my point? Okay, so 5 will be the wrong number over here. Let us quickly move on to the next question. I want quick and correct answer from all of your end. Can you try this question over here? Clear, ma'am. Okay, very good. Can you try this question? Now, I think this is really doable in 30 seconds. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. D option or B option? D or B or A? Oh my god, I am getting multiple answers over here. Saurabh is saying 30, Akshay is saying 2.5. Why so guys? Why so many different answers over here? Okay, all of you can pay attention. Divide this by 6. This is division by 6. This is division by 5. This is division by 4. This is division by 3. This is division by 2. So this should be division by 1. So 2.5 would be the wrong answer over here. Anvesha, Akshay, Hemlata, Harshita, 2.5. That is D option would be the perfect one. Harshita, please check out. Harshita, please check out your answer. Neba, Ashu, Anshika, D option is the perfect one over here. Very good guys, very good. Everybody is following this? D option is the perfect one. Now this is the last question. Last two questions are homework for all of you. I want all of you to mention your answer in the comment box over here. So again, I would like to tell you guys the RBI Assistant LPS batch. Okay, really good batch over here, RBI Assistant LPS batch, in which we are going to conduct, combined LPS for all the subject. Not only quant, it is for English, reasoning, every subject you are going to have a combined LPS. Every day from 7 to 9 this would be carried out. The price, if you are using my name as the code, price would be simply 839. Okay, so if you are using my name as the code, just you are going to pay 839 for this, which is nothing compared to what you are going to get. You are going to get sectional test as well, and along with that you will get mock test as well, and LPS would be there till your final exam. So I want all of you to check out this package, and as we have joined, we got 10 million subscribers now, users. So we are celebrating it with by giving you an offer. Now what is the offer? If you are purchasing light package and using my name as the code, it will be valid for next 10 months over here. So validity of each package is raised from 6 to 10 over here. So I feel that this is the perfect time you can purchase this. Banking Super Elite will give you live classes plus mock test. Everything will be given over here. Okay, my name is nothing but Priyanka. That is the code of your batch. Okay, so I want all of you to check out with Priyanka as the code. So that is what I would like to tell you. And if any one of you want to know from the basics, okay, if anyone wants to learn the basics from me, so RBI Assistant batch is there. You can check out this batch. I am going to tell the pre as well as mains both level content over here. Okay, so do check out, do not forget to use my name as the code over here as well. Okay, so thank you guys, enjoy your weekend, bye bye, take care of yourself and your